Have you tried FL Studio's new transporter effect to create dynamic, real-time loops? Whether you're adding glitchy textures or crafting evolving rhythms, this tool is a game changer. Drop transporter onto your track, and it will instantly analyze the audio, detect transients, and trigger loops. You'll have two independent loops, A and B, to control, with parameters like sensitivity to adjust how transients are detected and spread to add stereo movement. Activate bouncing mode for accelerating or decelerating loops, or experiment with probabilistic mode to add random variations for ever-evolving textures. Want something more predictable? Switch to deterministic mode for locked-in rhythmic patterns. Add reverse playback or octave shifts with the reverse and shift controls for even more creative possibilities. Perfect for glitch effects, rhythmic reworks, or layering textures, Transporter is a powerful addition to FL Studio's effects lineup. Want to learn more about FL Studio? Comment FL below and we'll send you a link to our free FL Studio tools and resources.